E-bike conversion kits used to feel bulky, complicated, and honestly not worth replacing a proper e-bike for. But that's changing fast. The Rubbee X and Kamingo E-bike Converter are trying to transform almost any regular bicycle into a smart electric machine within seconds, without replacing the drivetrain. Both may appear similar, but their engineering philosophies differ significantly. Rubbee emphasizes modular flexibility and simplicity, while Kamingo prioritizes lightweight design and adaptive friction technology. When comparing power, range, portability, and smart features, one system stands out as more advanced. Let's find out. The Rubbee X delivers between 250 and 350 watts depending on battery configuration, offering solid performance for commuting and casual city rides. It reaches 25 kilometers per hour in the base setup and up to 32 kilometers per hour with all 3 battery modules installed. But the Kamingo E-bike Converter takes performance to another level with a 250 watt rated motor capable of 750 watts peak power and up to 40 Newton meters of torque. That extra torque makes acceleration stronger and hill climbing noticeably easier. Since both share similar top speeds, Kamingo clearly wins in overall power delivery and responsiveness. Range is where the gap becomes even more dramatic. The Rubbee X uses a modular battery system with 93.5 watt-hours per battery module, allowing users to scale from 1 to 3 batteries. That means roughly 16 kilometers with 1 module and up to 48 kilometers with 3. But even with all 3 batteries attached, it still falls far behind Kamingo's claimed maximum range of up to 90 kilometers from its single 266 watt-hour battery pack. Even accounting for more realistic riding estimates closer to 30 kilometer under heavy use, Kamingo still competes strongly while remaining lighter overall. Rubbee deserves credit for flexibility, but in outright range efficiency and battery optimization, Kamingo wins again. Weight and portability are crucial for conversion kits, as riders often remove them. The full Kamingo system weighs only 2.3 kilograms, including its 0.9 kilograms motor and 1.4 kilograms battery. Meanwhile, Rubbee X ranges from 2.8 kilograms in its single battery setup to around 4 kilograms fully equipped. That means a fully loaded Rubbee can weigh nearly twice as much as Kamingo. The difference becomes noticeable when carrying the bike upstairs or removing the system daily. Kamingo also emphasizes portability with its quick magnetic attachment system that allows removal in around 10 seconds after initial installation. Rubbee is still easy to mount thanks to its tool-free seat post design, but Kamingo's engineering feels more optimized for modern commuter convenience. Another win goes to Kamingo. However, Rubbee X fights back strongly in adaptability and modular design. Its seat post mounted architecture works across a huge range of bicycles, with 16 to 29-inch wheels and tire widths from 0.5 to 2.5 inches. The wireless cadence sensor removes external wiring, simplifying installation for casual users. Kamingo works with various bike types, but relies on proper tire contact for efficiency. Rubbee's modular ecosystem is more universal and beginner-friendly. In terms of ease of installation and customization, Rubbee X excels in this category. Both systems feature advanced capabilities for friction drive kits, such as regenerative braking, Bluetooth apps, and multiple riding modes. Rubbee includes a 14 LED brake light and a wireless cadence assist. In contrast, Kamingo offers smart features like pressure adaptive technology, cruise mode, USB-C power bank functionality, app-based motor locking, a 45-degree tilt cutoff, and quieter operation at 56 decibels, making it a more integrated premium e-bike system. The smarter electronics and safety implementation give Kamingo another advantage here. Durability and weather protection are closer than expected. Rubbee X carries an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning it can survive heavy rain and even temporary immersion better than most commuter systems. Kamingo comes with IP66 protection, which is still highly weather resistant but slightly less robust on paper. If your riding involves aggressive rain exposure or harsh commuting conditions, Rubbee technically has the stronger ceiling. This is one of the few categories where Rubbee secures a clear win. Thank you for tuning in. The Kamingo E-bike Converter takes the overall win. It is more than just a conversion kit. It's a lightweight e-bike system designed for modern riders. Now, the question is, would you prefer maximum flexibility or futuristic performance? Share your thoughts in the comments on which converter you'd trust for your daily ride.